This presentation is an overview of lean business and lean manufacturing. Enjoy. Lean business can be compared to our bodies. If we are athletic, we're considered to be lean. If we're not athletic, we are not lean. When we are not lean, we are sluggish and lack energy. For example, it is very difficult to run when we are unfit, as opposed to being in good physical shape. Let's explore this concept a little further. A lean company is considered to be fast, strong, agile, coordinated, ready for anything, promotes teamwork, has a very lucrative business, and in general, a winner. On the other hand, a non-lean company is considered to be slow, weak, clumsy, uncoordinated, not ready for anything, a severe lack of teamwork, cash poor, and in general, a loser. Every company is made up of several business processes that are linked together as shown in this example. The first reason many companies fail to become lean is they focus their attention solely on manufacturing rather than the entire business. Let's take a look at the process flow for manufacturing as an example. The green areas represent value-added work, whereas the red areas represent all of the waste found in manufacturing. The amount of actual value-added work adds up to a very small 1 to 5% of the time spent in manufacturing.